Hello everyone, my name is Twinkle from MGTN Navsari. In this video, I am going to show you how you can install the Anaconda in your Windows operating system. So, first of all, what is Anaconda? Anaconda is a free and open source distribution of Python and R programming language. It is related for data science and machine learning application. So Anaconda comes with the very nice tools such as Spider, Jupyter Notebook, etc., which are widely used by the Python beginner. So I am going to show you how to install Anaconda. So first of all, open your browser and search for the Anaconda Python download, in which you will see the link www.anaconda.com. Open that link and after that scroll down the first page of the Anaconda website, in which in the in the end you will see the different installer of the Anaconda for the different operating system. Here I am using the Windows operating system and my operating system is 64-bit. So I am going to download this 64-bit graphical installer for my machine. According to your system, download your installer for Anaconda. I have already downloaded this software, so I am going to run this software. It is in download folder. Now I am going to run this Anaconda installer. After that, I am going to click next to continue. So I am going to click next and I have to agree some license agreement. For that I am clicking on the I agree button, and then Anaconda is asking for install for the just me or all the users. So I am going to click for all the users and then click next. After that, Anaconda here this indicate that Anaconda require a 3 GB space and available space is 82 GB. So I am going to browse for the destination folder. I am going to install in the C drive program data in Anaconda 3. So I am going to click on the next button, and here you don't have previously installed the any Python software. If you check this mark, then it will cause any it may be cause problem, so don't check this box. I have earlier installed the Python, so I am only going to check this box and then click on the install. So now Anaconda is installing. This will take some time, require a 3 GB space, so it will take some time to complete the setup. So now I'm going to click on the next button. After that after that now I'm going to click on the next button and then uncheck these two check boxes, and I am going to click on the finish button. So now Anaconda is installed in our system. Now search on your search bar for the Anaconda. So Anaconda navigator is shown here. Double click on that. So Anaconda is opening now. Okay. So Anaconda navigator is shown here. So click on the OK and don't show again. So you can see here Anaconda comes with a very nice tools such as Spider, Jupyter Lab, which are widely used by the Python learners. So I am going to show you how to use Spider. Spider is already installed in Anaconda distributor. So click on the launch button. Now Spider is opening. This is a Spider editor. In this we can write our code. For example, I am going to write a equal to 3, b equal to 5, and I am going to print their sum. So c equal to a plus b, and I am going to print c. So this is a Python code, and for running this code, click on this button or click on the F5 key. So by the output of the program 8 is shown in the console, or we can directly run our code on the console. For example, 3 plus 5 will give us an answer 8 on the console. So in this way we can use the Spider for running the Python code. Now we will see how to use a Jupyter Notebook of Anaconda distributor. For that, we will directly search Jupyter Notebook on our search bar. So here Jupyter Notebook is given. So Jupyter Notebook will open in our default browser. So it is opening in my laptop, it is opening in the Chrome. So first of all, I am choosing my working directory. I am choosing as at a desktop. So click on the desktop. After that, I am creating a folder for my notebook. So click on the new button on the right hand side, new folder, and then I am going to rename this untitled folder as a Python test notebooks. So this folder is renamed. After that, click on this folder and then right click on the new and click on the Python 3. So now the other tab is opening in which we can write our Python code. For example, I am going to write here 3 plus 5, and for running this code click on the shift enter. So it will give an answer as 8. Now for printing some data, print hello Python, and so running this script click on the shift enter. We can also run multiple line of code. So a is equal to, for example, I am going to write a equal to 3, next b equal to 3, and I am going to print that sum as a print a plus b, and then click shift enter. So it will show the output of this code. So this notebook is here unsaved changes. So for save this notebook, go to the file menu and then click on the save and checkpoint. So this file is now saved, and to rename this file click on the untitled and we can write it as a test1. So this notebook is renamed. Now this notebook is saved on the desktop directory. So I am going to use this notebook using the Python test book. So open that folder from the desktop and test1.ipynb is shown here. So ipynb is a extension for the Python Jupyter notebook. We can use this file for future. So this is all about the Anaconda distributor, Spyder and Jupyter notebooks. Thank you.